Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to solve ransom note problem. So guys, before I begin, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel so that keeps me motivating to make more videos. So let's get started with the problem. So given an arbitrary ransom note string and another string containing letters from all the magazines. So you will be given a ransom note string and there is another string that contains letters from all the magazines. So write a function that will return true if the ransom note can be constructed from the magazines. So we should construct a ransom note in such a way all the letters has to be extracted from the magazine. Otherwise it will return false. And there is a constraint each letter in the magazine string can only be used once in your ransom note. So we have a constraint saying once we use a letter from a magazine, we should figure out a way to exclude it for further upcoming letters in the ransom note. So coming to the example, so you will have, so this is your ransom note string and this is your magazines. So the first two examples are false as we do not have, for the first example and second example, you do not have a letters in the magazines to be to construct a ransom note. But in the third example, you have a letters which helps you to construct a ransom note string. So let's get into the approach. I am going to discuss two approaches for this problem and let us consider the third example from the problem statement. So in the approach one, the first step would be I am going to create a dictionary called magazine dictionary with key as a letter and count as a value. So to in order to understand this step, I'm going to create a dictionary with respect to each letter in the magazine and the value will be its corresponding count. And the step 2 would be I'm going to iterate the ransom note using a for loop with the conditional block. So I'm going to, so whatever the ransom note string that has been provided for us, I'm going to iterate through it to compare whether we could be able to construct from the letters provided in the magazine. And in the conditional block, I'm going to check if the letter is not present in magazine dictionary, then there is no way we could build a ransom note string. So I'm going to directly return it as a false. Else else if the letter is present, I'm going to decrement the count of it with its respect to key. So let's say in this example, I have key as A and its value as 2. So when I come across the letter A in the for loop, I am going to decrement its value by 1. And in the next step, I am going to check if the dictionary key has a value less than 0. So that indicates we do not have a letter in the magazine that can help us to build a ransom note string. So this has to be actually 0 guys. So this is my mistake. So if we have a dictionary key which is less than 0, that indicates that we do not have a letter in the magazine to reconstruct the ransom note string. So I'm going to return it as false. So for this I'm going to explain the code for the same. So like I said, I'm going to create a magazine dictionary using the collections package with counter function, and then I'm going to iterate on the ransom note, and here I'm going to check if the letter from the ransom note string is present in magazine dictionary. If it is not, I'm directly returning it as false. Else I'm going to decrement a value by 1 with its respective to the letter in ransom note. And finally I'm going to check if the letter is present, if the magazine dictionary contains a value less than 0, then again I'm going to return it as false. So this is the first approach guys. Now I'm going to discuss the second approach where I found it as a faster it has been executed pretty faster than the first approach, and there is no additional space in terms of data structure. Like I have been using dictionary in the first approach, and there is nothing been used additionally to accomplish the task here. So I'm going to consider the similar example, and in the step 1 I'm going to iterate the ransom note, and in step 2 again the first step and the sub part in the step 2 is similar to the first approach, where if the letter is not present in magazine I'm going to return it as false. Else if the letter is present I'm going to replace the letter in magazine with empty space. So this would actually remove the letter which we have seen in the for loop, so that we could work on the next sub part of the letters from the magazine. So for this approach the code is fairly simple. So I'm going to iterate using the for loop. Then if letter is not in magazine I'm going to return as false, else I'm going to replace the letter with empty space, and I'm going to do it only for the first occurrence in the complete string. If I do not pass this value, it is going to remove all the letters which is identical to the letter present in ransom note. So let us run any one of the solutions. Both the solutions will work, guys. So in the second approach we are trying to change the data provided in the magazine string, but whereas in the first approach we are not actually altering any data, we are building up a new dictionary and trying to solve this problem. So let us submit this solution. Yeah, so the solution has been accepted. I hope you are able to understand the approach, and if you have any questions or if you feel there is a better way to solve this problem, feel free to comment down below. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching. See you next time.